Happy Saturday. It is raining in Seoul like it has been for the past 3 weeks, and I am a little bit annoyed because the weather is always so perfect on the weekdays, but every time it's Saturday it starts raining. And we were supposed to go to Gyeongju this weekend to look at the cherry blossoms because they are in full bloom right now, but we had to cancel our trip because of the rain forecast. But at least we got to enjoy the cherry blossoms during the week. Right now I'm heading with my mom to go vote for the new mayor. It's election day is actually on Wednesday or Tuesday, but you can go early on the weekend, and that's what we're gonna do. And then Nick and I are going to check out a new department store that opened nearby. So yeah, it's a pretty quiet Saturday. I hate the rain, but we're gonna try to enjoy it the best we can, I guess.
오 이쁘다. 왜 거울을 보니까 더 이뻐?
It never occurred to me to see cherry blossoms in the rain. I only went out to look at them when it was sunny, but I think cherry blossoms in the rain, they're beautiful in their own way. So they have this food court thing, and they sell pizza by the slice, which is really rare in Korea. You usually can't buy by the slice here. And they've got a supermarket, and you know, they revamped this place. It was really boring when we came here like a year ago, but now it's nice. I love the supermarket here. I don't know why, I just love looking at supermarkets. And they've got this like pop-up food court where they have a bunch of snacks. So I think we're gonna pick up our dinner here later after we're done looking around, but I am enjoying myself so far. They have a modern house here. I love home interior stuff, so this probably is my favorite store out of this whole building. So excited.
I was yours from the start. Together we will be stronger than all. We can sway but never fall.
I'm getting 2 Korean grammar in use books today because I want to start Korean tutoring soon, and I want some like reference books and textbooks and things like that. But I'm actually going to visit a bigger bookstore tomorrow. We're going to Kyobo bookstore in the city center because they have a wider selection there. So I'm just getting these for now, and then I'll probably get a couple more tomorrow.
I'm free. As long as you're here with me.